Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and we're here with another tear apart an animal and make a puppet. This is an animated toy, and what we do is we take the guts out and we turn it into a hand puppet. So that's what we're doing right now. This one, you need to find the one last performance of this particular animal. It is a doozy. So you want to check that out. It's pretty interesting. But anyways, this is one of those little toys that you would give your adult child, daughter, and that's probably why I ended up with it at the thrift store. So that's the way it is. But anyways, this is one of those that it sings. I think it's supposed to make the mouth move, but it doesn't. But I want to show you this one because I want to take it and transform it. So look at it now. Get a good look because it's going to change by the time we're done with it. Okay, so the first thing we do is it's unzip the bottom. We already got that done. Now, I don't think I need to worry much about it because all you have to do is tear the fabric away just like that. I think they just hot glued it on this little gizmo. This is, I've said that I've had some easy ones. I think this is it. I had one before that was a pig that was very easy. This is pretty close to the same thing. It's coming apart like a dream because it's just that a couple bits and pieces of glue, and pull it out like that and pull it out of the mouth area. It might be sewn in, so we'll see in a second. And a couple bits of tearing. Wait a second. Almost there. Hang on. Oh yeah, it's just glued on. So again, I don't know if this works. The music part worked. It should have moved its mouth. It did not. You'll see in the video, I had to get rough with it because it didn't want to work. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transform it from its previous state by removing all of the extra accoutrements. There's 1 and 2 that hold on the little baby in the front. Oh, wait a second. Oh, there it is. Okay. Almost cut the baby's arm off. So that's that. Those go there. Okay, so the baby's gone. It's pretty sun bleached. I think it was supposed to be this color here, this pink, but it looks like it was sitting in the, and the elastic is stretched. It looked like it had been sitting in the sun too long. So, yeah, we're not going to keep that one. Excuse me. I've still got the switch deep down in the arm. I don't know if it's worth the hassle to retrieve it because I don't think this works. Okay, so let's just do this. I'm going to cut it and I'll retrieve it later if I decide to. I'll cut it short enough to where when the arm goes, it pulls most of it back. So that's that. It's a lot of air. Now I've got this bear and I want to take this off. So I'm going to go in here with my scissors and we're going to remove the hat. Now you want to pull a little bit so you get just the string holding on, and away you go. Trim here, trim there, keeping it away from your hands. Oh look, wow, this is quite a transformation. In fact, all they did was sew it through the doll itself. So you can see I don't even need to undo this side. I might pull the little piece off, the original knot, but I can't. I don't know if I can get it. Hang on. Is it there? Yep, there it goes. So there's the original knot. And that's pretty much it. You can see the difference in the shading between the top and the mouth area. It's quite a difference in shading. And then of course we just remove this little bit here. Okay, again, it's sewn on quite strongly actually here. There's a, wow, this is really, it's really really on there. So I'm going to go ahead and snip. There it goes. There is a red thread that goes through here. I don't know why it goes through there. I'm going to trim that off. I don't know that it's going to really turn out to be that awesome of a puppet, but we'll see. But the idea I'm showing you on this one is the transformation of the doll itself. You can take something that is not your style, and this might have been your style, I don't know, but take something that's not your style and turn it into something different. Okay, so right there I've got it, and as you see, I can talk with the mouth. It's really hard to do. You almost have to like scissor your fingers. Let's see if I can do that. Or I guess if you did this, it's kind of creepy. But there it is. You've got your own bear puppet. Get it? It's a bear puppet. All the stuff has been removed. It's bear. Oh, I made it funny. And it's only in the middle of the day. It's not even like it's late at night and I'm loopy. This is my natural state. So there it is. You've got your own bear puppet. In fact, if you want to, this one's kind of cool because it has a zipper. So you can turn this into something else. You can hide something in it or whatever. But there it is, a bear puppet. Now, I want to thank you guys for coming back and checking me out, those of you who have been with us before. Those of you who are new to the channel, please subscribe and you get all of the updates before anyone else. And I want to thank you for coming. Again, this is the DIY Magician. Until next time.